Boom, DJT stock analysis and DJT stock prediction for Wednesday and onward. Is it a buy? Watch this 1 minute video till the end and find out. Trump media stock. I know, like, come on, it's the election day, so that's gonna have obviously an effect on it. Post market seems like it's down even like at 32 bucks. We're gonna see if tonight we're gonna know who the president is or not, or it will take a few days. We'll see. But looking at DJT, in this sense, I'm still potentially open to taking it up as long as the price gives me the rules, of course. This is a bullish range. Fundamentals do play a huge role, but also everything is in our boundaries. You know, everything is like to a certain level where it's supposed to be. So as long as the price gives me the rules, this is something that I'll buy. Obviously, the chances are quite slim where this thing just starts to zoom out, you know, and just gap up and whatnot. But I'm keeping that in mind. If you want to learn to make more money by taking less trades for free, click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars.